Hey everybody, this is Christian, your favorite DMV realtor. Today we are in the Palisades, seeing what $4,250,000 gets you here. Special shout out to Tumi of TTR Sotheby's for allowing us to tour his gorgeous listing along with his co-listing agent. Come check it out. Welcome in, you guys. So here we have a total of 6,700 square feet of living space. As you can see, this is the front of the home. We are in the living room. And one thing I really love about this room is this absolutely beautiful fireplace with this stone mantle. These nice tiles on the wall as well really set this space off. As we go into the kitchen, you have this accent wall. So great, you can play a TV here, you can see that. We have this absolutely beautiful kitchen, which has a couple of different elements going on here. We got the stone, the wood going on. We have the metals going on at the same time as well. So we have quartz countertops here with the waterfall edge. We have RLAH cabinetry, which are imported from Germany. We have this stone countertop and backsplash on here with this cutout look. It looks extremely clean in this room. And we have Thermador appliances throughout. Here is the fridge. Absolutely beautiful. You have a paneled dishwasher. So I didn't point that out back here, so we're gonna backtrack a little bit. Paneled dishwasher here. Thermador, of course. Yeah, I love this kitchen. Let me know what your favorite thing about this kitchen is. I just think it's designed extremely well. Off of the kitchen, you have your dining space. As you can see, this is a pretty large space. You can fit a much larger table here if you need to, and even some additional seating. Of course, this view, absolutely beautiful. Your first bathroom, which will be powder room, is right here. Have an elevator throughout the home. It goes to all the levels in the home. On this level, we have 3 bedrooms. Before we hit the bedrooms, here is your laundry room. Very spacious. Here's your first full bathroom. Bedroom number 1 on this floor. Bedroom number 2 here has its own ensuite right over this way. Here you have a loft area, and here is bedroom number 3 on this level. Your primary is upstairs, and let's go check it out. So here is a half bathroom before you enter into the primary. You have this nice seating area, as well as a wet bar area, coffee maker, a wine cooler, so you don't have to go downstairs. And you do have this lovely deck on the front of the home. Entering into your primary bedroom, which is huge. As you guys can see, it's a lot of space in here. You have 2 decks, of course, one in the rear. You have a nice walk-in closet, custom shelving. Some additional storage before you enter into your primary ensuite. And here is the ensuite, which has the tile running all the way to the ceiling. Absolutely beautiful double vanity sink. Huge soaking tub. And this shower, huge cutout there, and all these really cool shower heads. Oh yeah, there's speakers also built throughout the house, so definitely host some cool parties here and enjoy some nice vibes throughout your entire home. All right, you guys, I'll meet you downstairs. All right, you guys, welcome to the basement in the home. We're gonna check out the bedroom and the full bathroom on the other side. Here's the full bathroom. Here is the rest of the recreation room. Has a cool feature wall. Over here you have a nice wet bar. The same nice cabinetry. And here is an additional bonus room. You can make a great small media room or maybe a gym. This home has a really cool element as there is a whole accessory dwelling unit above the 2-car garage. So let's go check it out. All right, here is your 2-car garage. If you know DC, you know this is worth its weight in gold. So you definitely want to consider this when you're purchasing the city. If a home has a garage, that adds value. Where the real value in this place comes in, you get a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom accessory dwelling unit. Here you go, and these have really high vaulted cathedral ceilings. So much space. Not only could this be a great Airbnb, this could be an in-law suite, this could be a long-term rental for you if you like. So it has some great potential. Here's the kitchen. Here is bathroom number 1. Bedroom number 1. Your washer and dryer. And bedroom number 2 and the other full bathroom. All right, you guys, let me know what you guys think about this place. If this is your first time coming to my channel, thank you so much for coming. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. And if you are returning, thank you so much for your support. Like, comment, share. Special thanks again to Tumi of TTR Sotheby's and his co-listing agent for allowing us to tour this absolutely stunning home here in the Palisades. Grace and peace.